There is no homework check today. Example number 1. Factor by grouping if possible. Take a look at the first two terms. You have 20 and 50, they're both divisible by 10, and then 6 and 15 on the back end, they're both divisible by 3. Let's try something different on this and regroup them. Instead of using what's obvious out front here, let's see if we can get it by changing the order. So instead of 20 and 50, how about we try 20 and 6? So 20AB plus 6B, and then minus 50AX minus 15X. What two numbers can I take out of 20 and 6? 2, and what variable? B. So we'll take out a 2B. Now go back and divide these two terms by 2B. You'll be left with a 10A plus 3. Now this minus sign here means that when you insert the 50AX and the 15X in the parentheses, what happens to this? Change it to a plus. So recopy the first half and then go to the second half and see what you can take out. What can you take out of 50 and 15? 5. Any variables? X. So divide both of these terms by 5x and be left with 10a plus 3. Now, even after shuffling them around, we end up with the same quantity there and there. So for your final answer, 2b minus 5x, and then 10a plus 3. Try this one and drop it off. To factor this one by grouping, let's look at the first two. Since we have a 7 and a 28 on the back end, you can take out a 3a from the first two and be left with b minus 4x. Now on the back end, you have to change the sign to minus in the quantity. Recopy the first part and then factor out here on the back end. You can take out a 7 and be left with b minus 4x. Take note that you have the same two quantities, so it worked out. 3a minus 7 goes in the first set, and then you just need b minus 4x.